Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Zapier with Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to get started on using Zapier with Shopify, the first thing you want to do is you want to have a Zapier account. So in this case, at the top left, let's go and click on create, and you want to create a Zap. Let's go and click on Zaps here. Now from here, we now need to add our triggers as well as our action. In this case, go and click on trigger here. And from here, we want to choose Shopify. But in order for you to use it, you need to have a pro plan. But you can still try this if you want to. Now, in this case, you now need to choose the event here. So in this case, you have the following events. So for example, if you have a new order, the Zap here will be automatically triggered. Let's go ahead and click this one. Now, once you've actually clicked on it, next you want to do is you want to go to the account section. Now, in this case, you now need to click on the Connect Shopify option here, but you could also change this if you want to. In this case, go and click on Connect a new account here since we want to connect another account. And from here, you could go ahead and start entering your Shopify store. In this case, you could go and go back into your Shopify store here, and you want to go to online store. Want to view your online store here so that you'll be able to see your store. Go ahead and copy the very first section here, so this one. And once you've copied it, you want to paste it in here. So again, let's go and open it up, paste it in here, click on yes, continue to Shopify. Now this will actually start connecting your store. In this case, it's going to say, sorry, the shop is currently unavailable. So if you see this, you might need to actually restart or basically change this one. So I would recommend you to first edit the connection name or even reconnect here if you have to. And yeah, in this case, go ahead and try it again, refresh your browser if you have to. But once you've connected, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and test it and see if it actually connects. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to set an action. So for example, if you want to, send this to Instagram or send an email, send this to Google Sheets if you want to. For example, we want to go to Google Sheets. Now, Google Sheets, we need to specify our event. So for example, maybe you want to create a spreadsheet, or you want to create or update, or even all of those things. So for example, I want to say row here, and I want to actually update spreadsheet row or rows here. So in this case, you go ahead and do that. So for example, let's choose this one, and you want to go ahead and choose your account, specify the actions as well, like which drive, which spreadsheet, and all of those details. But yeah, so in this case, it's actually fairly easy here. Just provide or select the necessary information or objects here. So for example, if you want to connect your Shopify store, make sure to choose Shopify here. And if you want to do a specific action on an Excel sheet, make sure to choose the Excel sheet option here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.